So what's the next step? You finally received your Amazon Vine products in your possession. You're using it, you love it, but whoop, whoop, we have to pay taxes. We see this amount is building up in our ETV and we have to make money. I don't have a job, or a job I have isn't really giving me enough money to go towards my taxes. So what options do I have? In this video, I'm going to outline the things that I have done and I recommend you do as well to help you make money for these taxes. Now, if you are a person that likes to stick to the zero ETV of products, then this can still be beneficial if you want to have a side hustle, or you want to just have other streams of income come in that you don't have to really worry about. You create some and it just goes in its own world, and people will find it and they will react if they feel inclined to do so, which will make you some money. So let's get into the video. So the first way is very ironic because essentially Amazon is funding your journey inside of the Amazon influencer program. And all this is people who have a social media account, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I think maybe Facebook. You will just log in, see if you qualify. Of course, Amazon doesn't tell you out front what that is, but you just let Amazon tell you yes or no. If they say yes, you will get access to what is called the Amazon influencer program, which allows you to earn money off of your photos, off of your videos, and also off of Amazon live streams, which you just talk about products sold on Amazon. I mean, Amazon Vine is giving you products for Amazon to display on Amazon where you can earn money. And you're not selling it, you're not giving it away, you're keeping it in your possession, which is under the Vine rules. So this is one of the top ways I can say is for you to earn money. Another way we can make money with these products within the first day we receive it is using Pinterest pins. Pinterest is a very new thing to me. I had an account for years, but I never ever did nothing with it. Then I realized Pinterest has started to do some changes and things like that. And they made something called Pinterest pins that allows you to essentially make a TikTok video that allows you to tap on the screen and go directly to whatever product you are linking onto that video. So case in point, this lady right here is putting eyeshadow on her eye. When you receive that eyeshadow from Amazon Vine, you will find the actual product page on Amazon. At the very top, you'll have a specialized little bar across that lets you see the option of getting a direct link with your code on there that allows you to get a commission every time somebody makes the purchase. So I like the eyeshadow on her. I think it fits me perfectly. So I'm going to click on the bubble. It will take me directly to the Amazon page, and then I will make the purchase, which in turn gives me a commission. So this has been another way to utilize the Amazon Vine product to make money immediately to help go towards those taxes. All right. Now the third way, as you can see, I am on YouTube talking about one channel. I actually have 5 YouTube channels, and 3 of them I am consistently working on, and this is one of them. This channel right here is called Likely Ideal, and I created this channel because I have content on 2 separate platforms that people can easily just take and claim to be their own. And most of them will take my content and put them on YouTube because YouTube is the number one place people want to go at to get a part of that partnership program. So I decided to take all of my videos I create as an Amazon influencer and also as a Vine reviewer onto this one account to allow people to just see reviews of items they would likely want to buy. Hence the name Likely Ideal. So when I make my videos, I just come on over here. And as you can see, it's literally the same thing you would find on my Amazon influencer account in regards to the videos. My face is not in any of these videos. You just see the actual item. You see maybe my hand, my foot, if it's like a shoe product. But this is so easy, and you literally can do this. And I've already garnered 722 followers, and it's continuing to go up. I've been doing this for maybe a year right now. But again, I link the same link you would use for the Pinterest pins inside of my description box for each of these products. So if people like the item and they want to buy it, they will go to the link, which again will garner me a commission. And with YouTube videos, you find some that's like 11 years old. As long as this item is still on Amazon to be purchased, you can make money off of that. And you're not doing anything besides hey, this is the item, it's really great, and you use it, telling them what you like or don't like. That's what I love about it the most, because I'm being honest. I either like it or I don't like it. So you can take whatever written review you have for the item, save it, and speak it, or like a voiceover over the actual video you do for the item, to put it on YouTube, and also anywhere else you choose, including TikTok. So these are the things I wanted to bring to you, the top 3 that are options of making money. All right, so I gave you all the things you can do to make money prior to 6 months, to go towards those taxes. I did not mention what I'm going to mention now in the very beginning, because selling anything is going to be a gamble. And of course, you don't want to be that person that sells an item before 6 months and Amazon just so happens to call you and be like, or email you and be like, hey, can you send this item back? I don't even know if they would do that, but just your luck or my luck, we sell it and they do that, and then we looking like, I don't have it no more, it's gone. So I just say, you know what, just follow the rules. Queue for 6 months, do the options I provided for you to make some cash to go towards your actual product taxes at the end of the year. And once 6 months hit, you can get rid of it if you don't need it. So some options would be Mercari, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Poshmark, and yard sale. I mean, those are all the things in my mind that would make sense for you to be able to get rid of something as quickly as someone's able to buy it. Get it out in front of as many eyes as possible. Maybe YouTube, I've seen people sell things via YouTube, is not as, I think, quick, because I don't think people are really coming on YouTube to look for things to buy. However, you can always try. So I hope this video helped. Thank you for staying around this long. And I will have an Amazon Vine playlist available with all things Amazon Vine. So make sure you are checking for that and reviewing the things I'm going to add to that playlist specifically for people who are also in the Amazon Vine program. Bye.